Hi, this is Luke A. from the PCT North America team, and in this video I'll show you how to link your PCT account to your Agworld account and import fields from Agworld. First, to link your Agworld account, navigate to the My Settings page. Under the Agworld tab, click Link User, enter your Agworld login, and accept the authorization. Then you can choose to enable or disable auto upload to Agworld. Once your accounts have been linked, you can import fields. This can be done from the right-click menu in View or in the Setup tool. In Setup, click Field Editor and Import Fields from Agworld. Select the import level, and then check the boxes next to the growers, farms, or fields that you would like to import. Then click Import.